I want to address the one thing that I don't like about this cord fan with these two wires. You've got a Corsair fan here with two wires, and honestly, for cable management dilemmas, this is a waste of time. Two cables, that's two cables you have to run to a controller, extra wire. So they made something new. Corsair ILink. So Corsair ILink is something that I have heard for the last year, and it was something I got excited. So I've got a few selections which I have paid for my own money. So these weren't cheap, but for like management and things, it's just a perfect time for my changing all my fans. So if you got a 120 single here, a 140 here, and also you got a double pack of 140. Yeah, you can tell this is not a Corsair ad. It's not a Corsair ad. They didn't sponsor this. And they also got, what is it? A 1 starter kit. So these are starter kits. Ah, yeah, you can tell when you opened it. These are my first impressions, but I'm waiting for this video. These are starter kits. They come up with a controller, which we'll talk about in a moment. And these are just your single ones where you need them. So leave to the side. Let's get to the one I actually did how do we relift these? So basically, you get the three fans. Three fans. They're all pre-connected, which is nice. You get the controller box, which is nice. So it has these link cables either side, and also at the bottom you get power, USB, and something else. I have no idea, sorry. What else do you get in this box? Try dust. All the mounting screws you get plus 3 amp. I think this is magnetic. I don't know if it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. You get plugs so if you don't use the plugs at the end, you should put them up. You get the power cable and the USB. So this USB cable is basically for the data between the motherboard and the the fan. So basically this thing connects to the motherboard, and then IQ detects that. So what is good, power uses PCIe cable, which is need to know. So if you need one of those, and plus data plus one of these connections. Nice long. Now they come in all lengths. I think you get wide splitters as well. Depends on what you need. I'm hoping to install these in my next video. So, but then you can go. These are just my first. I have not turned these on, and I'm not planning to. These are just my first impression. Where should I open these? Where's my knife? I got myself a new knife because I don't know. My other knife disappeared, and I have no idea where this or myself a new one. So it's always good to have knives. Oh, I did open this. So, and the one single cable, the only thing you don't get is the controller, as far as I'm aware, the controller box. So yeah. Oh, and these are magnetic. So basically, they look really clean, and so they just. I can demonstrate this. So the magnetic and the clipping nicely. So that's very nice. I like that. But if you don't need that size, you can also connect them via by this plug. I'm not saying USB, some kind of data plug. So this cable calls data, power, and RGB, which is really nice. So those two cables is down to one single cable, which is awesome. Honestly, Corsair, you could have done this from the start. Honestly, there's like Lee is doing it for years. Actually, I don't know that, but Lee has a link system and it's really good. I haven't seen it personally, but it looks good when I've seen it on YouTube. And then you can just link them all up together. So you can go on and on. You can do 17 devices. I think the number is. We edit to number exactly how much it is. I can't remember. First you get this box. Mounted screws. Oh, but you don't get power. So that's the thing you need to keep an eye on. Luckily I've got enough of these boxes. I'm sure I can find power cable. And then I can just measure the ones I need. So the 120s, 140 size. So that comes with power with all the mounted screws. So it just goes on and on. So you get the idea. This is something that Corsair should have done from the start. But also, so we wasted all our money. They wasted all the time on these different fans. And basically, they just brought out this. But it's not limited to fans. You can also connect it. So it's a whole link. I have a video on how it all works in your case. And how it works is you have those three fans connected to your water pump link. They brought out a water link cable. They've also brought out a CPU box, CPU with the link system, and they also brought this GPU water block as well. So it's all in the link ecosystem, which I like. So these are all products that I might be buying. Don't know yet. But it's something that you could add as you are. As you see, I did it all at once, but I digress. This is crazy. So if you're planning a build and you want less cables, get Corsair ILink. I'll have links of all this description and you'll see this all from Corsair to Amazon. So you can pick whatever size, what color. They come in white and black. So there's our wee sensor gauge here. So that's good. And I really like this. This has been sitting in my house for weeks now. And this is the first time I've got my hands on it. And I really like, I can see the build now. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.